Hello, welcome to our channel Confident. Today we are discussing about the topic separating medium, and this is used to full for dental students because separating medium are used in their various process like processing of denture, etc. And coming to the content, that is definition, classification, selection and application of separating medium and roles of separating medium. These are the four subheading we are discussing briefly about the separating medium. Okay. Coming to definition, as a name itself indicates, separating media are those substances which is used to separate two surfaces from each other. And separating media help to separate plaster surface to acrylic surface, plaster to plaster surface, plaster to metal surface, and plaster to impression material surface. In this picture, show applying separating media with a brush while processing of the denture, complete denture. And next we are coming to classification. We can classify it under four heading, that is oil and greasy substance, solution separating medium, semi-solid separating medium, and solid separating medium. And coming to oily and greasy substance, examples are Vaseline, liquid paraffin, grease in a crude form, mineral and vegetable oil, and the substance which applied will absorbed by the plaster. And this is the way in which the separating media get its action. And disadvantage is they weaken the strength of the plaster and can't apply uniformly and not get a precise impression. And uses are used where greater accuracy is not required, that is flasking of the denture and articulating the model and separation of the model from the base. These are the three uses. And next is solution separating medium, that is pH solution of shellac and acetone solutions, celluloids, etc. are used, and volatile solutions of the different waxes can be used as a solution separating medium, and 6% solution of the sodium silicate, and then solutions of the sodium alginate. Then spirituous solutions of the shellac, acetone solution celluloids, volatile solutions of different waxes, 6% solution of the sodium silicate, and solutions of the sodium alginate. And sodium alginate are most important. And sodium alginate means cold mold seal or alginate mold seal. And coming to third, that is semi-solid separating medium. That is soap solution, dilute water glass solution. These substances cause physical effect and chemically combine with the surface layer of the plaster and somewhat alter its surface. And mechanism in soap solution is readily absorbed into the plaster surface. Oil break the hydroxide and free oils when absorbed. Then disadvantage is it weakens the plaster, and for that these are most commonly used for making the models from the impression plaster. Then as fourth, that is solid separating medium, substance which have no chemical or physical action can uh, action on a plaster surface. Example, tin foil, this is a solid separating medium, and wet cellophane paper. Tin foil is 0.001 millimeter thickness. It is adapted thoroughly burnished on the plaster surface, and care should be taken that it does not fold up or wrinkle, can distort, and usually basically during packing it is used. And cellophane paper should be thoroughly wet in the water before spreading it over and adapting on the plaster. And coming to sodium alginate or cold mold seal, this is solution separating medium. This picture show this picture shows the sodium alginate or cold mold seal. The most commonly used medium is sodium alginate, that is cold mold seal. In composition is sodium alginate, distilled water, coloring agent, that way you get a pinkish color, and uses is separating plaster to acrylic surface. That means separating the plaster from an acrylic surface. Example for while making a special tray of the acrylic, we should apply a separating medium layer in order to get it separate from the plaster. That is separate plaster and metallic surface in separating model from soluble plaster. Reaction: sodium alginate react with the CaSO4 to form calcium alginate and Na2SO4. When sodium alginate is applied on a plaster surface, sodium salt sodium ion salt come in contact with the calcium sulfate of the plaster, which is precipitated into thin impermeable layer and separate two surface. This is the mechanism, that is, or this is the reaction take birth while applying a separating medium. And application means two coats is required. First is allowed to dry and the second coat applied by hairbrush or a cotton. And disadvantage is if used in a hot surface, heap up. Selection and application of separating medium. It must prevent direct contact between danger-based resin and mold surface, and failure of appropriate separating medium leads to it may affect polymerization rate as well as the optical and physical properties of the danger base. Portion of the investing media fused to the danger base, widely accepted method is thin sheet of the tin foil. It is a salt separating medium and commonly used as water soluble alginate solution, that is cold mold seal. And roles of separating medium is to prevent the passage of water from gypsum to resin and to minimize passage of the monomer to polymer and to facilitate separation of the flask. So okay, thank you for listening and watching, and please do subscribe my channel and press the share button on like my video, and by subscribing please tick the all icon so you can get my all videos that I'm uploading. Thank you.